Before buying a dress form, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. The real buyers are definitely talking about how some dress forms just don't do the job right, leaving you frustrated when fitting and draping your garments. Product number 1, FDW Adjustable Dress Form. Let's kick things off with the FDW Mannequin. Priced at $40.88, this model caught my eye because it's a bestseller with over 6,000 reviews. If you want an affordable and adjustable option for your sewing projects, this is worth a serious look. The adjustable height ranging from 60 to 67 inches is a game changer. You can easily customize it to your perfect working height, which is crucial if you're spending long hours sewing. Its dimensions for the bust, waist, and hips are standard, making it a good fit for many projects. What's really impressive, the fabric cover is clean and stretchable, allowing you to easily pin fabrics without any hassle. Now, some people complained about the stability of the tripod base. Here's the thing though, as long as you're using it on a flat surface, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just be mindful when moving it around. This is perfect for you if you're just starting with sewing or need a budget-friendly option. Skip this one if you need something ultra-stable for heavy garments, but for most everyday projects, it's a solid choice. Now, if the FDW stability concerns bother you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Dritz Sew Adjustable Dress Form Small Medium. Next up is the Dritz Sew Adjustable Dress Form, priced at $129.99. This one really stands out with a solid rating of 4.5 stars from nearly 7,800 reviews. If you're looking for a precise fitting tool, this is worth your attention. It has a height-adjustable center pole and a 360-degree hem guide, making your fitting process smoother. The max height of 62.5 inches allows for a range of projects, and the secure pinning surface is perfect for keeping your fabrics in place while you work. With a size range for US women's sizes 4-12, it's designed to meet the needs of many. However, a few users noted that the adjustment dials can be a bit tricky to operate. I'll be real with you, this might be frustrating for beginners, but once you get the hang of it, it's a fantastic tool for achieving a great fit. This is ideal if you take your sewing seriously and want something that grows with your skills. Skip this if you're just dabbling in sewing and don't need something so adjustable, but it's a great investment for serious crafters. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger sizes. Product number 3, Dritz Sew Adjustable Dress Form Medium Large. Following that is the Dritz Sew Adjustable Dress Form in Medium Large, also at $129.99 and sharing the same stellar 4.5-star rating. If you need a dress form that fits a larger size range, this one deserves your attention. It features the same 12 multi-point adjustments and height adjustability, making it just as customizable as its smaller counterpart. However, this model accommodates US sizes 12-18 with bust measurements up to 46 inches. This means you can design garments that fit more body types accurately. The foam-backed surface for pinning is excellent for securing your projects while you work on them. One downside here is that the size range might not suit everyone, especially if you're on the smaller side. But if that's not an issue for you, you'll find this form to be a reliable companion in your sewing journey. This is perfect for you if you're working with larger patterns or projects. Skip this one if you need a form for smaller sizes, but for many, it's a great fit. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly without sacrificing too much quality, let's check out the next product. Product number 4, Bonlow Female Dress Form. Let's talk about the Bonlow Female Dress Form, priced at just $25.99. With a 4.5-star rating from over 7,200 reviews, it's quite the steal. If you want a dependable dress form without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This dress form has a solid core with a sturdy wooden base, which gives it the stability needed for heavier garments. The height can be adjusted from 51 to 66 inches, so you can tailor it to your needs. Plus, it's designed for US women's size 6, making it an excellent option for those in that range. The lightweight design allows for easy movement around your sewing space, making it a practical choice for at-home projects. However, some users mention that the foam can be a bit soft, which might make pinning tricky for thicker fabrics. But here's the thing, if you're mostly working with lightweight materials, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is ideal for casual sewists or those just starting out. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavyweight option for thick fabrics, but it's a fantastic value for lighter projects. Now, if you want something with a higher-end feel, let's move on to the last product on the list. Product number 5, SHAREWIN Female Mannequin Torso. Finally, we have the SHAREWIN Female Mannequin Torso, priced at $85.99. With a 4.4-star rating from over 300 reviews, it's a solid mid-range option. If you need a dress form that combines style and function, this one should be on your radar. The adjustable height ranges from 50 to 70 inches, allowing you to find that perfect fit for your sewing projects. Plus, it's designed to hold pins securely, making it practical for draping and fitting. The downside here is that some users found it a bit less stable compared to heavier options. But honestly, if you're working with lighter garments, you'll probably be just fine. This design makes it a great decorative piece as well. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish yet functional dress form for showcasing garments. Skip this if you need something ultra sturdy for heavy-duty use, but it's a great choice for most sewing needs. To wrap it up, we looked at 5 fantastic dress forms: the affordable FDW mannequin, the precision-focused Dritz Sew models in small, medium, and medium-large, the budget-friendly Bonlo, and the stylish SHAREWIN. Each has its strengths, so think about what features matter most to you. Happy sewing!